Hey, what's up, YouTube and Xplane people? I'm just doing a little quick video here because I am having an issue with with my tiller. I have what is it, a Cytec X52 Pro, and I like to use my tiller, and I could not figure out why it's not working. I had to use my rotor, my yaw on my stick to turn and stuff, but found the solution to that, and I want to show you guys. So go to your panel here, config, go to hardware, nose wheel axis. It says yaw, and if you go to the website, well, right here I'm gonna show you guys. Like this fella says, go to your FMC. I don't know why he's talking about FMC. Maybe E3D, who knows? But I took it from here, right? And he says click on yaw and it should be fixed. Wrong. What you gotta put it on is on, let me move this out of the way. You have to change this to on. There. And look at now. Bap, left and right, left and right. And that's how you fix that problem. Okay, I hope this was able to help anybody. And just keep on flying, brothers.